Hey friends. In this lesson, you'll learn short and useful English sentences for talking about your daily work routine. Native speakers use these sentences all the time. For each sentence, I'll tell you when to use it, then you will repeat after me. Let's get started. First, let's talk about things people do when they arrive at work. I log into my computer when I arrive. This is often the very first thing people do at work. They sit down, turn on the computer, and prepare for the day. Now you repeat, I log into my computer when I arrive. I check the team calendar every morning. We use this to see meetings, deadlines, or important events. Now you repeat, I check the team calendar every morning. I answer urgent emails first. This means you reply to the most important messages before other tasks. Now you repeat, I answer urgent emails first. I make a fresh cup of coffee before starting. Many people do this to feel awake and focused. Now you repeat, I make a fresh cup of coffee before starting. I update my to-do list during the day. This means you add new tasks or mark tasks as done. Now you repeat, I update my to-do list during the day. I review my goals for the week. This means you check what you want to finish by the end of the week. Now you repeat, I review my goals for the week. Now let's talk about what people do during the day. I block time for deep work. This means you plan quiet time with no distractions. Now you repeat, I block time for deep work. I try to stay off social media at work. This means you avoid apps so you can focus better. Now you repeat, I try to stay off social media at work. I join training sessions every Thursday. This means you attend classes or workshops to learn new skills. Now you repeat, I join training sessions every Thursday. I usually finish reports before lunch. This means you do important writing tasks in the morning. Now you repeat, I usually finish reports before lunch. I take a walk during lunch. This helps your body and mind feel refreshed. Now you repeat, I take a walk during lunch. I bring lunch from home most days. This can save money and help you eat healthier. Now you repeat, I bring lunch from home most days. I drink water regularly to stay fresh. This helps you feel awake during long work hours. Now you repeat, I drink water regularly to stay fresh. I check my progress in the afternoon. This means you review what you've done and what's left. Now you repeat, I check my progress in the afternoon. I avoid multitasking during busy hours. This means you focus on one task at a time. Now you repeat, I avoid multitasking during busy hours. I save important documents to the cloud. This keeps your files safe online. Now you repeat, I save important documents to the cloud. I schedule time for admin tasks. These are small tasks like emails or forms. Now you repeat, I schedule time for admin tasks. I update my availability for the next week. This helps your team plan meetings. Now you repeat, I update my availability for the next week. Now let's talk about ending the day. I organize my desk in the afternoon. This means you clean and arrange your workspace. Now you repeat. I organize my desk in the afternoon. I log out of my work apps at 5. This helps you mentally end the workday. Now you repeat, I log out of my work apps at 5. I clean up my desktop and close tabs. This prepares your computer for the next day. Now you repeat, I clean up my desktop and close tabs. I turn off the office lights before I leave. This means you're careful and responsible. Now you repeat. I turn off the office lights before I leave. I say goodbye to my co-workers before leaving. This is polite and friendly. Now you repeat. I say goodbye to my co-workers before leaving. I leave work around 5:30 every day. This means it's your normal routine. Now you repeat. I leave work around 5:30 every day. I usually take the same bus home. This is part of your daily commute. Now you repeat, I usually take the same bus home. I don't check work emails after 6. This helps you separate work from personal life. Now you repeat, I don't check work emails after 6. That's it for today. Listen again. Repeat the sentences. Imagine using them in your own routine. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.